Today we're going to be testing the first red day trading strategy, so let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name is David and welcome to my channel where I go through trading strategies that I find on YouTube and on the web, and then I use code to debunk the bad ones and find the good ones. Today we're going to be looking at a trading strategy which is on a YouTube channel called Be The Trader. It's a YouTube channel where he goes through and interviews other traders, successful traders, and two brothers came onto his channel and spoke about their algo trading setup, systematic trading setup, where they took trades. Now, they don't go into detail about their trading strategy, but at one point they did hit upon what kind of trading strategy they used, and one of them was the first red day trading strategy. So the idea behind this trading strategy is we're on the daily chart, which is going to be a bit different from myself, but we're looking for a set of green candles where we're going up in green, and we're looking for a big red candle, and that big red candle will take a short on below the close of that candle. Now there are a couple of other rules. The high must be lower than the previous high, and obviously the close of the red candle has to be below the close of the previous candle, which would have been the final green candle. So then we take a short on the next candle, and when that candle closes we exit our trade at the end of the day. So I guess the best idea is to get straight over to my computer. We'll talk about it. I'll show you the setup on a chart, and then I will code it so we can backtest it and see whether it actually really works. One of the other reasons that I actually wanted to do this was these guys claim that they have a couple of hundred trades a week, and they did say that they had several trading strategies, but that's something that I'm aiming for, is a couple of hundred trades per week on an algo system now, to see whether I can make that successful as well. So I guess the best thing is to give it a go, give it a test, and I'll show you the results. Okay, let's go over to my computer. But before we go, if you do enjoy the video, if you have a couple of seconds and you don't mind just hitting that thumbs up, it helps me a lot. And why not subscribe? I do videos every Tuesday and every Friday, debunking and finding strategies on YouTube. And you can also download or add to your TradingView all of my scripts. The links to Patreon are down in the description. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we are on my computer. I'm going to give credit where credit was due. Like I said, this was the YouTube channel where I found the interview, and these were the brothers here. They were talking about their trading strategy. The actual trading channel is called The Be Trader. Very good channel with lots of interviews of successful traders, so go and have a look at that. Right, okay, here we are on Ethereum. I'm going to stick us on BTC USDT, as that's one I always test on. What we're doing is we're looking for an area where there's a lot of green candles, like this one here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles in a row. We're looking to wait for these green candles straight up like this. So we're creating this could be a pullback, I guess, if you're looking in a bearish fashion, because it would be below something like a 200 EMA. We're looking at for a pullback, creating several green candles in a row. And when we create our first red candle where the close, so this close here, is below the green candle's close, which would have been this one here, we're looking to take a short on the next day. So we would have been able to get into this one here. This would not been a great example, unfortunately. We would have got in on this candle, this slight green candle here. If we would have let it trail for the next couple of days, we would have had quite a good entry. But if we're getting out on the same candle that we get in on at the end of the day, we wouldn't have had a great entry for this one. But that was one example. There is plenty of examples out there. We could have this one here, which would have been maybe a little bit better. Let's try and find a good example here. Here is a couple of 3 candles here. We have 3 candles going up, and then we have a red candle. If we would have got in here, this would have been a good example, a good entry. Like I said, we have 3 green candles, and then we have a red candle. The next candle we would have got in and had a good entry there. Now you've got to remember this trading strategy is shorting only. There is a first green candle trading strategy as well, which I will test. I will add to our algorithm to see if that works as well. The guys inside the video said that they had a great couple of years with this trading strategy. Currently it's a lot slower than what it was, but it certainly seems worth backtesting. Okay, so I guess the best idea is for me to go away and code this, and then we'll have a look at the backtesting results. I do expect obviously there to be a lot less results than general because we are on a day chart, but we can always have a look at some lower time frames to see whether we can get this working on a lower one as well. Let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Right, here I am back on the charts. As you can see, I'm back on Ethereum. It seems like this doesn't give as good results as I would like on BTC USDT. I will look on some stocks as well. As you can see, it has got the entries where we should be. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles. On our first red candle, we come down, and that's where our entry would be. Here's the same yellow candle. We're coming down. Unfortunately, that would have been a loss. I think the problem is that we often have an extra green candle after the red candle, but on Ethereum it seems quite good. We have a 75% win rate. As you can see, it's a really small pool of trades. We have only 8 closed trades. Now that is with green candles and red candles, so I have both of them on there. We have our green candles, first red candle, and our first green candle. That has given us only 8 trades, which is a really small pool of trades. The good thing is it does seem to work quite a lot on different pairs. When you go over to Sol over here, you can see we're 50% profitable. The net profit is 2.9% here. With 50%, we have a 1.2 factor profit factor, so it's nothing exceptional. This one was a 2.99 profit factor, 18%. We have this one doesn't look great, which is Binance Coin. We have LTC, if I remember rightly, that one's quite good. We got 100% profitable, 9 trades. So if you put all of the trades together, it seems like it could be potentially profitable, but it's not exceptional. It's not a fantastic trading strategy. I have come across a lot better. If you look at things like the dead zone, we get in a couple of trades per week. Good trades. This one here, 50% profitable. If I go down and we go over to the Euro USD, that's not good at all. 36% profitable. We have 95 trades, and as you can see, the profit factor is 0.6, which is terrible. If I go over to maybe the US 30, if I go over here, 45% profitable, a little bit better. Still 77 trades, 11% minus 11% on your account. Certainly doesn't look like something that I would be trading even with bots. I don't see how we could turn this into something profitable. Now I have added the EMA here as well. I tried to use the EMA to increase the profit. If I remove the EMA, as you can see, it will be even worse. If I move the EMA here, so I put a 20 EMA to give us a little bit of a trend direction to try and help us filter out a couple of bad trades. Let's have a look without. As you can see, that has decreased our profitability to minus 56% of our account. A profit factor, so a win rate of 34%, and there was 286 trades closed. So it certainly has the number of trades for a day trading strategy, but this is from 2003 up until today. So even that shows me that there isn't enough trades for me to want to trade this as a bot. Oh well guys, this probably won't be a trading strategy that I add to my panel of strategies to increase the number of trades per week, unfortunately, because I was hoping for the best and hoping that I would be able to increase the number of trades that I get every week. I'm still working on the harmonic patterns, and hopefully that will give us better results. I personally also am using the dead zone. You'll be able to find the dead zone above in the cards. cards, which is one of my best trading strategies that I've found personally so far. It's given me a couple of trades a week, a good number of trades actually per week on several coins now, and it seems to be one of the most successful trading strategies that I've found so far. Quick video. Thank you very much for joining me today. Don't forget you can join me in Discord, and the Patreon links are down below in the description. A quick video, guys. Without further ado, I'll leave you to your weekend. Keep safe, keep coding, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye bye.